Vegan or vegetarian? Both diets have their benefits, but which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each, so by the end, you'll know which lifestyle fits your goals best. Let's dive right in. First, a quick overview. Vegans avoid all animal products, no meat, dairy, eggs, or even honey. On the other hand, vegetarians skip meat but still consume dairy and eggs. Simple, right? But the real difference lies in the benefits and challenges each diet brings. Let's talk health. Both vegan and vegetarian diets can lower your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. But which one gives you the edge? A well-planned vegan diet can help reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. There's no animal fat, so your heart loves it. Plus, you'll pack your meals with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins from fruits, veggies, and legumes. Vegetarians get many of the same benefits, but with some added convenience. With eggs and dairy, you can meet your protein, calcium, and B12 needs more easily without relying on supplements. Both diets can improve your overall health, but veganism may offer a slight edge when it comes to reducing cholesterol and heart disease risk. Now let's get real. No diet is perfect, right? Both vegan and vegetarian lifestyles come with some challenges. Vegans need to pay close attention to certain nutrients like B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3s. Most of these are naturally found in animal products, so supplements or fortified foods are often necessary. Vegetarians have it a bit easier here. Eggs and dairy fill those gaps. But there's a catch: too much cheese and dairy can lead to excess saturated fat and cholesterol, which might cancel out some of the health benefits. Here's where things get interesting. Both diets are way better for the environment compared to a meat-heavy diet. But how do they compare to each other? Going fully vegan has the smallest carbon footprint. It uses fewer resources like water and land because it cuts out all animal products. Vegetarianism still reduces environmental harm, but not as much as veganism. Dairy and egg production contribute to greenhouse gases and require significant resources, so if minimizing your environmental footprint is a top priority, veganism takes the win. Next, let's talk about real life. What's easier to maintain in social settings, veganism or vegetarianism? Being vegan can be tricky at restaurants or family events. Not all places have vegan options, and you might need to read labels carefully to avoid hidden animal products. Vegetarian options are more widely available, from pizza to breakfast omelets, making it easier to maintain your diet in social settings without stress. So which one should you choose? It really comes down to your goals and priorities. Choose veganism if you're passionate about animal welfare and want to eliminate all forms of animal exploitation. You're committed to minimizing your environmental impact. You're ready to plan your meals carefully and stay on top of nutrients with supplements. Choose vegetarianism if you want to reduce animal harm but still enjoy eggs and dairy. You prefer a diet that's easier to maintain socially and nutritionally. You're looking for a middle ground with fewer challenges and more flexibility. So is one diet healthier than the other? Both vegan and vegetarian diets can be extremely healthy when done right, but veganism may offer an extra edge in heart health and reducing chronic disease risk. However, vegetarianism is easier to maintain long-term and offers more nutritional flexibility. At the end of the day, the best diet is the one that aligns with your values, goals, and lifestyle. Whether you go vegan or vegetarian, both are powerful steps toward a healthier you and a healthier planet. Which one resonates more with you, veganism or vegetarianism? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You never know who might need this info. See you in the next video.